Hello. Today I'll show you how you can easily replace your old, broken water tap, also called water faucet. My grandfather's bathroom faucet has served its time, and misses water. It's also left ugly. This was not planned. The water tap is so rotten that it broke off very easily. To do the job, you need to buy a new sink faucet of the same size. You'll still need a few instruments, but your grandfather will give them to you. Start by closing the hot and cold water pipes to the sink, otherwise removing the old water tap will flood the whole house. By open the faucet, check that the water is really shut off. Under the sink, find the water pipes that are connected to the faucet. Then detach the two faucet pipes from the main water pipes. Unscrew the only screw holding the water tap to the sink. Once the screw is unscrewed, slowly pull the water tap out. You won't need any part of that old faucet. Clean the surface where the new faucet will be installed. Now it is time to open the new faucet. As you can see, it's very easy to assemble. Just attach the water pipes tightly. Put the rubber insulating ring in place, and screw in the two fixing screws. Then put the faucet in the old faucet place. I like it already. Then screw the faucet to the sink, as shown in the instructions. Then screw in the two new water pipes. Open the hot and cold water pipes. Check that the new water tap works. Check that the water flows properly, hot from the hot direction and cold from the cold direction. If the reverse, swap pipes places. That's it. It really was that easy. Saved time and money without calling a plumber. Grandpa is happy too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, so that Grandpa and I are both happy and can film another good home tech video tutorial. Have a nice day.